Do you know someone who snores a lot? Snoring is considered to be a very common phenomenon, but did you know that snoring could also be related to health issues? Here are 5 health issues that could be directly related to snoring. Number 1 is obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring is one of the major symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. In OSA, the upper airway gets partially or fully blocked, causing the breathing pattern to change. OSA is associated with cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, blood pressure, etc. Number 2 is obesity. Obesity around your neck area can cause the airways to get partially blocked, which can cause snoring issues. Number 3 is nasal congestion or allergies, which may cause your air pathway to block and in turn causing you to snore. Number 4 is consumption of alcohol or sedatives just before you sleep, which may cause the muscles around the neck to relax, which in turn can block your nasal pathway, leading to snoring. And number 5 is your sleep position. You might be blocking your nasal pathway when you sleep in certain positions. So if you or someone you know has major snoring issues, and if you haven't yet diagnosed it, it's worth getting a consultation with a doctor to try and find out what exactly could be the reason. If you need any help with your health issues or with fixing your lifestyle, get in touch with us. Share this with a friend who snores a lot. You might be actually helping him. Don't forget to follow us back. Stay active, stay fit.